Next, we want to write the section for displaying the total of how much cryptocurrency has been received. For example, if person C sent person D 2.0 value of cryptocurrency, then person D currently has 2.0. We're going to focus on the section for calculating this. Let's get started. We want to add this to our blockchain method, so this is mining section we wrote earlier. Let's add some codes after this. We're going to write funcbc blockchain. Then we're going to write calculate total amount. This is going to refer to whose total we're going to calculate. We're going to write blockchain address and pass in string. This is our argument, and this is going to be our total, so we'll return using float32. Here, we'll write var total amount to declare our total. But first, we'll start off with 0, so we'll write 0.0. We have these transactions here, and we want to take the content of these transactions and run it with our loop to compute our total. We don't need our index number, so we have our underbar, then range BC chain to take out the block. Inside our block, we have our transaction, so we'll write T, then range B transactions. With this loop, we'll be able to take out our transactions. Next, we'll have value, and we'll be referring to our value within our transaction. Then we have our blockchain address that we identified in our argument. Let's say that this is person C. If person C is the recipient blockchain address, in other words, the recipient, then the total amount will increase, meaning that our value will increase. On the contrary, if person C sends person B cryptocurrency, then person C's total value will decrease. So if person C is the sender, then the total amount will need to decrease. All that we have left to do is return the total amount. Once we've gotten this far, let's get back to our main. Let's scroll down, and here at the very bottom, we'll be writing fmt printf, then C, to see how much cryptocurrency person C has. In this case, person C is sending cryptocurrency to person B, so person C total will be negative. But at this current moment, let's say negative values are acceptable. Here we'll add blockchain, calculate total amount, and then person C's blockchain address. Let's repeat this now for person D. We'll replace the C with D, and let's add one more item. Let's add a line with my blockchain address to see how much reward has been given to the miners. These are the codes we've written, and let's try running these codes. When we run these codes, we see down below my 2.0, person C negative 2.0, and person D 2.0. We see in this my blockchain address that the miner is mining twice. In other words, this miner has received a reward for mining twice. Therefore, this miner has 2.0 value worth of cryptocurrency. In the real world, you can't send cryptocurrency if you don't have any to begin with. But in this situation, person C sent person D cryptocurrency with value of 2.0, so that's why person C has negative 2.0, and person D received 2.0, so that's why that's displayed here. This sums it up for the calculate total amount method. And now let's move on to our next lecture.